Welcome to our YouTube channel, Rated E-CDO. Today we talk about seagrasses, that believed to be the third most valuable ecosystem in the world. Join me as we talk about seagrasses in the Philippines. This is Rated E-CDO. Did you know that there are about 72 species of seagrass in the whole world? And there are 17 seagrass species that can be found in the Philippines. Many are comparing the similarities of seagrass and seaweeds. But seagrass are not seaweeds. Seagrasses are the only flowering plants living under the sea, while seaweed are marine algae that have plant-like traits. Unlike seaweeds, seagrasses can reproduce through sexual means. They can bear fruits and flowers, have roots and rhizomes to anchor them to the sediments, while seaweeds have holdfast that help them attach to rocks and other objects. They reproduce through spores and they don't have fruits and flowers. Seagrass meadows increase diversity in our coasts. Thousands of organisms like rabbit fishes, sea cucumbers, and dugongs are supported by seagrasses. A hectare of seagrass can support 80,000 fishes and 100 million invertebrates. But today, oceans are under constant assault by human behavior, human waste, animal waste, pollution, and garbage that depleted our ecosystem underwater. In recent days, when COVID-19 struck the whole world, here in our locality, here in the Philippines, we observe the increasing numbers of seagrasses wash out in our seashores. Maybe it's because of its abundancy in the underwater world, because it's not being disturbed by the assault of human behavior, human waste, animal waste, pollution, and garbage. When COVID-19 struck in the Philippines, many industries stopped its operation. But because community is under home quarantine, bulk of garbage still exists in the surroundings. And why seagrass is so important? The vast biodiversity and sensitivity to changes in water quality inherent in seagrass communities make seagrasses an important species to help determine the overall health of coastal ecosystems. Seagrasses perform numerous functions, stabilizing the sea bottom, providing food and habitat for other marine organisms. Seagrasses are known as the lungs of the sea because 1 square meter of seagrass can generate 10 liters of oxygen every day through photosynthesis. Seagrass leaves also absorb nutrients and slow the flow of water, capturing sand, dirt, and sleet particles. Human pollution has contributed a lot to seagrass depletion around the world. The greatest pollution threat to seagrass populations is from high levels of plant nutrients. Other threats to seagrass include damage to the leaves, stems, and roots by both propellers, trollers, nets, and dredging. In order for seagrass to survive, all seagrasses need is clean water, sunlight, and sand or mud to grow in. But life between land and sea isn't easy. Like all plants, seagrasses need a source of inorganic carbon and the nutrients nitrogen and phosphorus for growth. And what is seagrass used for? Seagrasses have been used by humans for over 10,000 years. They've been used to fertilize fields, insulate houses, weave furniture, thatch roofs, make bandages, and fill mattresses, and even car seats. But it's what they do in their native habitat that has the biggest benefits for human and the ocean. What's this remaining footage we captured in the Barangay Bonbon Beach area, which we can observe the increasing number of sea grasses in the seashore.